How many factors does the number 2 to the 12 minus 1 have? The total number of factors of a number is equal to the product of each exponent in its prime factorization increased by 1. What I mean by that is if we have 2 squared times 3, the total number of factors is 2 plus 1 times 1 plus 1. So that is equal to 3 times 2, 6. So we have 6 factors. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. It is because for this number right here, the possible factors are 2 to the 0, or 2 to the 1, or 2 to the 2. For this number, 3 to the 0, or 3 to the 1. So we have 3 different factors for 2 squared, 2 different factors for 3. So 2 to the 0, that's 1, right? 3 to the 0, that's 1. 1 times 1 gives us 1. 1 times 3, 3. 2 times 1, that's 2. 2 times 3, that's 6. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 3, that's 12. So basically, the total number of factors can be found by multiplying these two numbers. But before we do that, we have to add 1. Add 1. So 3 times 2, 3 times 2, right? That is 6. Now, back to the question. We have this number. Let's find the prime factorization of this number. 2 to the 12 is 2 to the 6 squared minus 1 is 1 squared. So that is equal to 2 to the 6 minus 1 times 2 to the 6 plus 1. And 2 to the 6 minus 1, that can be written as 2 cubed minus 1, 2 cubed plus 1. And we have 2 to the 6, that's 64 plus 1, so 65 here. So this is equal to a minus 1, that's 7, a plus 1, that's 9, which is 3 squared. And for 65, 65 is divisible by 5, so that's 5 times 13. So we have a 5 times 13 here. And the total number of factors, are, here we have exponent 1, so 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1. So that's 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. That is equal to 24. So we have 24 factors.